here's something that I want everyone to understand. Progress is progress, no matter how small your steps are. Whether you are on this decluttering journey with me or you are shifting your life in whatever way possible, you can apply this to anything. Those baby steps are going to turn into bigger steps. They're going to turn into large strides, one box at a time, one day at a time. As you conquer one box or one area of your home or one part of your life, it's going to make it so much easier. With every new day, you're going to be more and more comfortable, and you're going to take control of whatever journey you are on in your life. And you know, I didn't just start this process. I've been on this journey for a while, and I've only just now gotten to the point of being comfortable with myself and where I'm at. I still get anxiety about letting go of things, about where I'm at in my life, but I heard something today that I'm holding myself back from greater things. And if I stop holding myself back, I'll make room for a better journey. Don't let the clutter in your life stop you from being great.